Personally, I feel like I've become a more independent, flexible person through the study abroad experience, whether it be adapting to this new place in Newcastle or navigating myself in a new country. I feel as though I've been able to become a more independent person through these experiences.
I've learned that a lot of the concerns for our own country are actually global concerns, and that people all over the world have studied American politics and history and find our issues to be just as significant across the world.
I've learned to be more independent, and I've learned to be able to plan and organize for myself, whether it comes to trips or food for the week and just planning for school like that.
I enjoyed getting immersed into the British culture and meeting British people. So through Newcastle University, we stayed with British students, and this way I was able to form friendships with them, which I think will be lifelong. And I even developed a British accent. Cheers.
What I enjoy most about studying at Newcastle University is the diverse perspectives that I get from different students. So in my classes, there are a variety of students from different places, different countries, and also different places in England, and it really enriches my experience academic-wise here at Newcastle.
I really liked going on the weekend trips with Loyola. They were really good. We went as a group to different cities like Liverpool or Belfast or even Italy, and we got to really become a good group together and really form friendships through that.
Definitely joining the theater society on campus and getting to perform in the university musical. It's where I met some of the best people and had the most fun.
My first few weeks at Newcastle were amazing. They reminded me of my first few weeks at Loyola. I was able to connect with Loyola students that I hadn't before, and also I was able to connect with British students. And it was a wonderful opportunity where I'm able to bring those friendships back to the United States, not only with the Loyola students, but also with the British students. So over the course of this semester, I visited Dublin,
Florence, Rome,
Switzerland,
Liverpool,
Venice, Barcelona,
Paris,
Amsterdam,
Budapest, Prague,
Sicily,
Vienna,
and Northern Ireland.
We hit a lot this semester.
I would recommend study abroad for Newcastle. I think it's a great experience. I think you get to learn a lot about yourself and about the other students that you come with, and it's just a nice place to be.
I would definitely recommend study abroad to other students, if not for reasons that they've heard from other people or from us, for reasons that they'll discover themselves.
I really love Newcastle. It became my home away from home, and I was nervous to come at first, wasn't even sure that I wanted to come, but once I got used to it, I really enjoyed it, and I would definitely recommend.
Study abroad has been an opportunity for me to really grow and become a global citizen.
I think it's a very valuable and unique experience to be able to live in a place for a few months or a year and to be able to see different cultures that are different from your own.